Couldn't you put it on the left?
What? So imagine that. I mean, it's going to be. I don't know.
He looks too friendly to be in battle. There we go.
How's that?
What is this?
This is Char's Gelgoog.
The what? Charles.
Char's the dude that drives it.
Charles.
Yeah. Gelgoog. But if I pronounce it in Japanese, it's Gelgoog, which is pretty similar, don't you reckon? So, but this is really retro, mega retro stuff.
Wait, when you say retro, like what year would it be from?
Talking 80s, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And this is actually huge. This is a 1/60th scale, so not quite.
So this
perfect
one has
grade.
scale.
Yeah. The 1/60th is their bigger type stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And just to give you an idea, you see the size of the shield there. His right shield. If I open it up, I'll show you what the size of the right shield.
Couldn't you put it on the left?
What?
The right shield. Doesn't it go on the left?
Riot.
Oh.
You know, when dudes are coming at you, angry.
How
So
could
there
you
it
be
is
angry
there.
with that?
There it
He's
is
too-
there.
he's
So
too-
imagine that. I mean, it's going to be, I don't know.
He looks too friendly to be in battle.
It's too friendly. And
He's
it's,
over.
it's mega chunky bits.
Well, he's in battle.
So they're the flares for his legs. He's wearing flares.
Wearing flares, of course.
Yeah.
He's
So it must be late
stylish.
70s,
From the
eh? Late
70s.
70s, early 80s. Yeah, that's really cool. And there's a few of these.
He probably runs on super. That's how old he is.
Super. I remember Super.
Would you like?
Oh,
would you like
well,
super?
thanks,
Would you like super or unleaded?
Super. Do you remember the Golden Fleece?
Yep.